What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Lily, what are you doing? What are you doing? Are you trying to get the quail? Huh? What are you doing, Lily? Come here. You're gonna get eaten. Come here. Where's Gabby? 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 Gabs? Oh, jeez. Gabby! I don't know where Gabby's at, and it is dark out here. We just got home. You can see I got this is actually my Jiu-jitsu shirt, and that's what I was going to talk to y'all about a little bit today. And also, I need to do a quail update for y'all. I've had several people ask me how the quail are doing. I haven't posted in like 3 days, and I'm going to tell you something right now. These quail are messy. Look at all that. And people told me they would be messy, and you just don't really realize it until you actually raise them and see for yourself. Let me see where Gabby's at. What are you doing, Gabby? What are you doing, girl? Everyone's wondering about you. How you doing? Lily wants to fight. Lily, you want to fight? She thinks she's tougher than Gabby. Get her, Gabby. Get her, get her. Get her, Gabby. Oh, my God. I'll tell you what, Lily is a mess. All right, time for y'all to go outside. Come on. You gotta go put them back up for me. Go, go. Get out of here. Get on out of here. Come on, let's go there. Go. But yeah, these quail are way messier than I thought. It's not that big of a deal, but they just waste a lot of feed. So Lily, she keeps coming back in here. So you can see they are wasting food like crazy, like everyone says. And I am going to make an automatic feeder. Just have not had time yet. You can see they are growing crazy fast. Look how big they are. I'll get one out here in just a minute. But first, before I get into this video and pull the quail out and all that, I'm going to do another giveaway. Yes, another giveaway. Not quite as big as the other one, but this is for my good friend Mark from Bumblebee Junction. It's actually going to be 2 giveaways because he's doing like a $200 giveaway over on his channel. So I will put an iCard up right there. Go check out that video, click it, watch it. You can see how to get into his video. It's like over $200. And tell him that Dutch sent you over there. And I'm going to give a $25 gift card away this time. Leave a comment down below that you want in the giveaway. So you have to let me know in the comment section below that you went. If you leave a comment, I know you went over there and subscribed, but you need to say I want in on Mark's giveaway, or I want in on Mark or something like that. I just want it on a giveaway before I start rambling on too much. So I will know whenever I do the random picker like last time. Giveaway will be in the title. That way I know you guys want it in. So with that being said, go check out Mark. He's doing a 10,000 subscriber giveaway. And he's already at like 12,000 subscribers. And he just started this like a week ago. His channel is taking off. It's about his favorite time of the year, gardening season. And if you guys, any of y'all are into gardens and maybe you're even new to gardens and you want a good channel to watch and you're not subscribed to Mark from Bumblebee Junction Marketing Team, go check them out. They have one of the best, if not the best, gardens that I have found on YouTube. And they're very knowledgeable. And pretty much the proof is in the pudding. They harvest huge amounts of food for their family every single year, and they record it for y'all. So you will learn a bunch from them. And if you're already a subscriber to them, because I talk about Mark and Tina quite a bit from time to time, and you might already be subscribed. If you are, just tell me pretty much you're already subscribed and you want in the giveaway still. So $25 from me to you and over $200 over there on Mark's channel. So go check it out. You guys will really like that, and you will not be disappointed, especially come garden season. I'm telling you, they both really know what they're doing. But all right, that being said, good luck good luck. And the giveaway I think ends on the 18th. So you have to be entered in mine and his before the 18th. So I'm going to do the same time on the 18th. Whenever he does his, I'll do mine also. So there you go. And I'll put some stuff down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get into these quail. I'm telling you, these quail, they're already starting to get all their feathers. Now let's take a look at them. You can see, I'll pull one out here in a minute, but the feathers are really growing. They're really starting to fill out. And you can really see the difference between the male and female now. And one way you could tell, I'll pull this one out. So one way you can see how red that is a male. That's how you sex a quail, how red the chest is. Let me put him down and I'll show you a female. Okay, so a female, you can see a female, she has no red on her chest. It's just speckled spots. So that's a female right there. How cool is that? So let me get a male and female side by side. So you can see, ooh, I just about got pooped on. But you can see the difference, the male, female. You can see their chest difference. So that's how you tell them apart. And I actually think I might have got a little bit on me, so. But yes, if you ever wanted to sex quail, this is how you do it, by the chest. That's the only way I know how to do it. That's how everyone else does it. So that's how you do it right here. You can definitely tell the difference. The easiest way you can sex these animals, might be the only way that I know of. And I probably have a couple males in here more than I need, because I tried to do it like a week ago, and they weren't fully colored yet. So I could pretty much tell, but some of them they might got mixed up. So I need to put another cage together, put it up here, and then get all the males that I don't want in here and put them up here. And that's probably what I'm going to do here in just a second. But I want to tell you real quick before I forget. I started something back this week that I'm kind of regretting now, because I am sore like no other. I'm gonna go ahead and open that garage door now, since I already messed with them. But I started going back to Jiu-jitsu class. If you all are new to the channel, you don't know me, my girls, and my wife. We all do Jiu-jitsu, and I've worked so much. I was off for almost 6 weeks or longer, and it's been a while. So I got back into it a couple days, and that was my third night back. And I'm kind of regretting now, because I could barely walk around, it seems like. So yeah. So if you guys aren't familiar with Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, and you're looking for some sort of martial art to protect for your kids, for self-defense, stuff like that, I'm telling you, look up in your hometown, see if you got a place to join. You will not regret. Your kids will love it. All three of my daughters do it. 2 of them are competing now. Hope, the little one, competed for the first time, and Hayden has always competed since she started. So it's really fun times. But hey, I'm going to get off subject with that, and I'm going to move some of these quail over, and I'll show you all doing that. Okay, so I got this cage. You see how easy this cage was to set up? And I'm going to put a link down below if you guys are looking to get quail. These are some cheap, inexpensive quail cages that you can put together in like 20 seconds. But this cage right here, I can already tell there's like 3 males in here, so I probably should have just put all my males up here. But let's go. These bottom 3 are these are the ones I want to make sure there's only like 5 females per 1 male in there. So we'll get in here and we'll take a look, and I'll show you what we got going on. Got away from me. But another male, the red on it. All right, let's get in here and see what we got going on. Female. There's a male. Another male. She's a lone survivor down here. Okay, well, not really disappointing, but it's gonna lead. I hope I have a lot of females in this batch. Because of right now, and I'll zoom in on these, I have a lot more males than I do females. So that's what's going to happen. I'm going to consolidate the females down here. These will be my breeding cages down here. I'll try to see how many I got, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I only got 8 females. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 4 and 4, and then I'm going to pick the biggest, healthiest looking males, and I'm going to put them in there as breeders. So what this will be up here, these will be, I guess you might say, like my kill cage These are the ones that I will process for my freezer, for my family to eat. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's like 12 or 13 in there. That's crazy. So I'll mix them up. If I got to get, I'll show you all, but I'll mix these back in together. The males up top, females down below, and that's how we're gonna do it for now. Let's take a look at this. So we got the 4 females here, 4 here, and I'm gonna go. There's a big one. He's a big male right there. And I don't know normally. You can definitely see the red for the male. There you go. Go to your ladies. Let's see here. There's a pretty good size one right there. There's several good size ones in here. Let's see if this one's pretty good. Oh yeah, that one's one to. Don't break your neck, buddy. He's a fighter. Yeah. Nice healthy male. What's up, Hayden?
Nothing.
And there's 4 females in each one of these, so we'll be getting eggs out of these 2. Because we got a male and female in there. But yeah, hey, look, I just cleaned this like 2 nights ago. Look how messy it got already.
Ew.
They're messy, ain't they?
Yeah.
So these will be our butcher pens pretty much. Those will be going in the freezer.
Do we need to keep one boy?
We got a boy in each one of these cages for his wives. Right down there. All right, that's all we got for you today. Thanks so much for taking time to watch my video and support my family by watching the video. We greatly appreciate it. I just wanted to make a video showing the quail again because I've been getting a lot of requests for updates, how they're doing all that. They're growing like crazy. I want to show you sexting them, so now you can tell the males have the red chest, the females have the spotted chest. So that's how we did it here. And it's going to be pretty good. 4 to 1 is not bad. I think they say anywhere from 4 to 5 females is probably perfect. So we're right there. Not too bad at all. You guys, if you liked the video, smash that like button for me if you would. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe right over there. And thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.